lassies, that's me out for another dig, and this time the weather, it's raining, so what I'm going to do is just do out for an hour or two just to see how things go. So I've got my GoPro up and running, so let's see how it goes. Speak to you soon. Right, that's me back in the car. I was only out an hour and a half. The rain has just got a wee bit miserable. Tomorrow at least it's meant to be nicer, so I'm going to try that. So what I've done is the GoPro, I've set it up, hopefully, because I couldn't really see the screen, it's recorded properly, and I've put a wee bit about the junk I did find. I found a chain, a bit of lead, which just mangled, and a big square washer. Apart from that, nothing. Well, I did actually find a pipe, but I think it was still in place in situ, so I didn't dig it out any further than just identifying what it was, because it was next to a stream. It might have been a pipe to either irrigate or to drain the water off it into the river. So we'll see. So any comments, just let us know what I'm doing wrong, if I'm doing things right, anything. I'm here to learn, so if you know what you're doing, tell me where I'm going wrong. So I'm using my Nocta Macro Simplex Plus. So let's see how it goes. I was setting the discrimination, I didn't have any discrimination marked out, so there was some, it was coming in 3 and 4s. I knew what they were at the beginning. I just thought, that's another bit of tractor, I'll just leave it. But the ones that were coming in at 60s, 70s, one of them was a chain, another one was a washer, but the other one was a bit of lead. So I think the high 70s seem to be lead, the low 60s seems to be metal or cast iron by the looks of it, because the big square washer was enormous and the chain looked a sturdy chain compared to the chain I got the last time, and the pipe looked as if it was still in use. So I don't know. So any comments, just leave it there and you can see what I've dug now. Okay, I'm not really finding that. I've been here about half an hour finding nothing, but let's just actually talk about why I'm finding nothing. Is it because my lack of experience? Am I moving my detector too slow, too fast? Let us know what you think, because I'm literally finding nothing. I'm getting the occasional wee signal, but I think it's just chatter. As soon as I go back over it, it just bounces back off. So I've ground balanced twice. Anytime I change the location, I try ground balancing. I've been going up and down, but nothing. I've been going in straight lines. I've tried wandering a wee bit. I even tried next to the public footpath that goes through the land and found nothing. So let us know what you think. So it looks like today's been a bust. No even bit of iron, I don't think. Nothing. And I don't know what's up. So let us know what you think in the comments. So I'm always looking for a wee bit of help to help me find my best way to use my Simplex. As you can see, it's set up at 1 below maximum sensitivity. I'm on field, so no idea, but could be just a case of the patch I've used, which is actually on a hill, which I thought might be a good idea, because you know what it's like. During the summer, people come up onto the hills rather than the valleys of a piece of land if they're having a picnic. Doesn't matter if it was yesterday, doesn't matter if it was 50 or 100 years ago, they always come up onto the brow of the hill because you get better sun. So let us know what you think in the comments, because I'm having zero luck. Speak to you soon. This pinpointer is actually okay, but it's actually quite weak. You need to really be on top of it before it picks it up, so I might have to actually already upgrade it. Picking up nothing in it to go at all. So that's it. A lump of lead. Nothing fancy. I'll need to actually have my jacket zipped up. I've noticed sometimes it actually goes over the GoPro. Try to keep it out the rain. But I'll clean it up, show you what it actually is, but I think it's just nothing fancy, just a lump of lead. There's no markings on it, and it's just out of shape. So, let's get big square washer. Now look at that. Oh, that's what it was pointing at, a big square washer. So absolutely nothing again. So let's get the whole fill back in. Right, the rain's starting to get really heavy, so what I'm going to do, this is the last dig. This one is hitting, it's literally fluctuating. 1 minute it's at 40, 42, then it's fluctuating up to the 60s, 70s. No idea what it is, so let's go and dig it, and I'm going to shove this in mute just now. I think there's going to be rocks here, so I think it's going to be... tractor, a pipe of some description. Yeah, it's a pipe of some description. There's a river behind me, so I'm wondering if this is an old pipe that was used for irrigation. So I'm going to dig that out, just in case. So, no doubt to dig round about here. There's an irrigation pipe, because as you can see, so I'm assuming that irrigation pipe goes in here, down to that, so maybe it's actually for draining the water. Any comments, just let us know where I'm going wrong, what I'm doing right, what you think I should be doing. Remember, get out there and detect and collect. PJ may be old, out.